Hi guys, in front of me is Motorola Moto E20, and let me show you how to perform a soft reset of this device. So actually all you need to do is to tap on power button and just hold it for a while. Just keep holding, and once you see Android logo, just leave it. Within a couple of seconds your device will be rebooted. And now provide your PIN code. And as you can see now, you can use your device normally. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.